I just wanted to share with you these great luggage racks by the brand Smart Fendi. I absolutely love these for a guest bedroom, an Airbnb, anything like that. If you're like me and you don't have a guest bedroom, but your office sometimes doubles as a guest bedroom when you have people over, so you don't have dressers or closets and things that people can put their clothes away when they're staying with you, this is great, these luggage racks. This is a 2-pack. I'm just going to show you. As you can see, this one here is set up where it's got the bottom shelf that you can leave, you can have down, or if you don't want to use it, it actually has these ball bearings in it, so you could leave it up like that just for a nice look as well. But then you can push it down and you can have it like you see to put, you could have a little basket on to store personal products in there. You can have it as a shoe rack to put your spare shoes on, things like that. And then this top rack part with the straps for your suitcase. It also looks great, even in a guest bedroom, like I said, just having these as a furniture item at the end of the bed. A lot of people like to put a bench, something like that at the end of the bed. For a guest room, this is just a perfect, more inexpensive way to add a little bit of decor to your room, makes guests feel at home. Same thing with an Airbnb. They can put their luggage there. You could store other things here as well, but I think it just gives that finished look to a guest bedroom at the foot of the bed as well if you had a couple of these. Now, these are made of 100% bamboo, so they're nice and sturdy. These straps here, so this part at the top, it will hold up to 150 pounds, which is great. We all know airlines charge over 50 pounds for luggage, so most luggage isn't going to be much more than 50 pounds, but if it is, this will hold it 150 pounds. And then this bottom shelf, put it down, that will hold up to 50 pounds. So you can put another bag, your carry-on down there. And then if you're not using them, fold it up. This goes, clicks in like that. And they can easily be thrown in a closet. They can store under the bed, behind a sofa. They take up absolutely no space at all. This is the walnut finish, so it's a little bit of a darker wood finish, and it does come in other finishes. It comes in a natural, it comes in honey, it comes in white, it comes in black. Any color that you want to go with your decor, you are going to find it. So just a final shout out to the brand Smart Fendi. Thank you so much for sending these to me to try out. They are going to be a game changer in my office for when we have guests, to make them feel more at home. So thank you so much.